And now I would like to inspire you to start speaking cosmic language and how you can do that, because that's the purpose of this. It's not only me who's supposed to speak cosmic language, it's for everyone. That's the purpose of me sharing and activate you to start speaking cosmic language. And it's always difficult to explain something that is so natural to me because it just flows through me. And of course, it's much easier for you if you have developed your psychic gifts, if you have been working on that for some years. And I do have, you probably know that I have, at least in Swedish, I have a school for psychic development. And I cannot go through all the details. Of course, it's a 4 weekend long program. So I cannot go through all the steps in there. I would love to, but because I work in a very structured way when I work with my contact with different spheres, different realms. But just a short version how to start speaking cosmic language. First of all, of course, it's your willingness and your longing. Like you want to speak cosmic language. You want to explore this area. So that's very important, because otherwise you won't feel safe. Because I know that some people are afraid of getting in touch with our star families. So your willingness and your longing. And step number 2 is your intention. That's your telephone number, as I've been speaking about. This is how you choose different channels of your radio. Your intention is to speak cosmic language. Your intention is to come in contact with your star family. So that's how you're choosing the channel. And number 3 is by listening to cosmic language, you're activating that gift in yourself. Of course, you can do it in other ways as well, but this is the way I teach it. So by listening to cosmic language, as you're going to do at the end of this long video, you will get activated to start speaking cosmic language. And that's how the connection are being made when you're listening to cosmic language and getting activated. And step number 4 is to establish a contact with the Ascension Masters and your Ascension team. And we will do a meditation at the end to create this contact link. And I do encourage you to use a quartz crystal, and that will strengthening your contact. I do have this clear connection crystal that I'm selling in my workshop. I think it's actually out of stock at the moment. So, but we will have more in stock very soon. And but otherwise, you can choose a quartz crystal with a point, and you're putting the point upwards. You're having it upwards. That's how I use it, at least. So that will facilitate the contact. So that's how you can start speaking cosmic language, and then just let it flow. Just trust that whatever comes through you, and let go of the mind. It's very easy to say, but just let go of the mind, and let it flow through you. Just open up for the divine to flow through you.